Still tracking your trades manually? What if everything from your crypto exchange could sync automatically in seconds? In this video, I'll show you how to connect your crypto exchange to SpearTrades using API so all your transactions are tracked instantly in your portfolio. On the top right, you'll see two options, Register and Login. If you're a new user, click on Register. After that, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can create your account using Google, Apple, or simply with your email address. Once you log into your account, you'll be taken to the dashboard page. Here, look for the Portfolio option at the top right and click on it. After clicking on Portfolio, you'll be taken to your portfolio page. Here, you'll see multiple options. From these options, select Sync API. Now you are on the Sync API page. Here, click on the Connect New API button. Once you click on it, a pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, you'll see an option called Integration Guide. Click on it, and you'll see a list of exchanges that can be synced with SpearTrades. Now you are on the guide page. Here you can select any exchange and follow the steps to sync it with SpearTrades. For example, let's take Coinbase. Here, you'll see step-by-step instructions. First, log into your Coinbase account. Then go to your profile and open Settings. From there, go to the API section and create a new API key. Name your API and set the required permissions. It is recommended to enable all required permissions. Then click on Create. Download your API key and save both the API key and secret key. These will be used to connect your Coinbase account with SpearTrades. Similarly, for other exchanges like Robinhood, the steps will be slightly different. You just need to follow the instructions provided for that specific exchange. Now, coming back to the Sync API page, enter your API key name and secret key. Make sure you keep these details safe as they are confidential. Once everything is filled, click on Test and Save. And that's it. Your exchange is now successfully synced with your portfolio on SpearTrades. All your transactions will now automatically reflect in your portfolio. And that's how you can sync your crypto exchange with SpearTrades and automatically track all your transactions in one place. If you want to simplify your tracking and make better trading decisions, you can join SpearTrades using the link below. Remember, SpearTrades is just a tool to help you monitor your portfolio and make informed decisions. We do not provide any financial advice, so always do your own research before making any investment decisions.